Now, the country witnessed, on the other hand, India, of course, as it opens up in many parts of the country, several industries in a staggered manner are opening up business. Liquor shops have opened up across of the country. The country has witnessed people thronging these liquor stores, open in several states after 40 days of the lockdown. As the Karnataka government permitted sale of liquor from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. from today, several people were found standing outside alcohol shops in Mangaluru and Hubli district of Karnataka. Long queues were witnessed outside several liquor shops in the national capital. Going over to, of course, Delhi. Delhi government has also allowed liquor, and of course, many of those standalone stores can be open, but liquor stores, particularly in malls and markets, cannot be open. Similar scenes were also witnessed in Assam and Chhattisgarh, while UP Excise Department has issued curbs to other pricing of alcohol in several states. Andhra Pradesh, the government has allowed sale of liquor from today with a 25% hike in prices. Traders' body, the CAIT, on the other hand, has vehemently opposed the opening up of liquor shops. Traders say that the centre is indulging in favoritism and forcing neighbourhood shops to shut shop while allowing liquor shops to open up despite lockdown 3.0. Liquor shops across of India now remain open, and we're looking at people thronging to liquor shops, queuing up only to get their hands on their share of liquor.
It's a big relief for tipplers as the liquor shops in Delhi have opened. 123 liquor shops, including this one in Old Delhi's Daryaganj, have now opened. And as you can see, it is currently 9:30 a.m. The shop has just opened, but from 8 a.m. people have been standing in line here, and if you can see, there is a long line on both sides of the theka, and people are waiting very patiently, wearing masks, standing in the circles that have been created here, have been set up here to maintain social distancing. But the tipplers are very, very keen on getting their fix that they've been deprived of for the last month. In New Delhi with cameraman Ajay Thakur, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
As you can see right behind me, those two, the first people that you see there, have been waiting for more than an hour. All they wanted was for the liquor shop to open up. And I'll ask Sanjeev to pan and to show you that this queue is pretty long. It goes all the way, almost a kilometer. And everyone is maintaining social distancing. But yes, what these people were actually waiting for the last almost 40 days was for these shops to open. कब से वेट कर रहे थे आप दुकान खोलने का?
1 घंटा हो गया।
1 घंटा हो गया?
हाँ जी।
अभी खुशी मिल रही है कि दुकान खुल गई है?
हाँ, खुशी मिल रही है जी।
कितनी बॉटल लेके जाने का सोच रहे हैं?
3
बॉटल। As you can see, people are really happy, obviously maintaining social distancing. As you can see, the police personnel are also here to make sure that no untoward incident takes place.
Well, let's quickly go over to Devanshu joining us for more details on this. Devanshu, please bring us more on the queues that you're seeing right outside all along. We're looking at people queuing up across of Vasant Vihar, people eager to get their share of liquor. But there isn't a cap on the sale of liquor, and that's what's throwing social distancing totally out of the window. It's allowing people to crowd up, allowing people to gather in large numbers, and also allowing people to buy a large chunk, a large share. We'll eventually look at liquor being sold in black. What's the whole point in opening liquor shops and asking people to maintain social distance? They've got to keep a cap on liquor sale, don't you think?
Well, Nabina, right after 40 days, the liquor shops in the capital have opened up. I'm currently standing in Vasant Vihar area of the New Delhi, and as you can see in the pictures, this is a long queue of people. They've been standing here since 8 a.m. in the morning, and this queue stretches almost for a kilometer, Nabila. These people have been standing here very patiently since morning. They've been maintaining social distancing, but they are more excited as the liquor shops have finally opened up today after 40 days. Sir, आप बताइए कब से खड़े हैं आप यहाँ पे?
हो गया सर जी आधा घंटा।
आधा घंटा से आप लाइन में लगे हैं?
हाँ जी लाइन में।
All right. So people have been standing here in the queue, and I'm going to ask one of the managers. आप बताइए आप सुबह कितने बजे से खड़े हैं यहाँ पे?
मैं सुबह 8 बजे आ गया था।
कितनी भीड़ है यहाँ पे?
अब करीबन काफ़ी अच्छी भीड़ है।
आप ये
मैं
बताइए कि लोग बल्क में लेके जा रहे हैं या फिर आपने थोड़ा लिमिटेशंस रखी है?
हम लोगों ने लिमिटेशन रखी है जो एक्साइज रूल के हिसाब से है, यानी कि एक पेटी दे सकते हैं और 12 बियर दे सकते हैं, यानी 12 बॉटल 12 बियर,
उससे ज़्यादा नहीं लेके जा सकते?
उससे जाके नहीं दे रहे हैं।
Alright, so there are still some limitations for people to buy this liquor, but still people are really happy since after 40 days the liquor shops in the capital are finally open.
That's true,
Nabila.
Devanshu. I mean, people are excited. We can see that excitement in them. Many of them coming in groups of one family or one friend circle and trying to get their share of liquor. But this is a warning going out to you. The whole exercise of a lockdown will go down in the drain if social distancing isn't maintained, even if it is to buy your liquor. Let's quickly go over to some details. Thank you, Devanshu, for joining us for more on that. Some details coming in on revenue. Now, we do know that liquor has been allowed to be sold across the country because of the kind of revenue that it generates across states in India. Going over to the revenue that it generates across states, starting with Delhi. Delhi's total revenue on the whole is 39,550 crore rupees. That's the total revenue, while the liquor tax revenue is 5,500. Those are the figures. These are figures in crores, remember, that we have for you. Let's quickly go over to Uttar Pradesh. Total revenue in Uttar Pradesh stands at 1,27,670 crores, the total revenue, while the liquor revenue particularly is 29,403 crores. That's the price of liquor revenue or liquor tax revenue that they generate per month. Remember, every state makes heavy revenue. They generate heavy revenue through liquor, through the sale of liquor. Maharashtra, we're looking at the total revenue in Maharashtra at 1,99,534, while the liquor tax revenue in Maharashtra alone stands at 16,667 crores. This is about 8.3% of the state's revenue on the whole. Let's quickly go over next. We have Rajasthan, where the total revenue in Rajasthan stands at 70,351 crores, while the liquor tax revenue in Rajasthan alone stands at 9,356 crores. This is in Rajasthan, which is about 13.3% on the whole. Let's go over to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, we're looking at 1,10,178 crores as revenue on the whole, while the liquor tax revenue in Tamil Nadu alone stands at 9,356 crores. This is at least 28% of the revenue that the state generates in Tamil Nadu.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.